there is two ways that you're gonna know that this person has sciatica. Number one, they're gonna complain. They're gonna say, oh, it's too high. They're not gonna tell you there is a problem there. What they're gonna say, it's too high. It needs to be lower, okay? Then you ask, which part makes you uncomfortable?
即係話咧，有機會咧，上次咧黐住咗喺呢度嘅時候咧，依個係話痛嘅。佢一痛咧，呢一個位應該就係講緊佢坐骨神經痛有事嘅。咁所以咧，呢一個位咧就要搣咗佢，然後要黐過第二個地方，係啦。所以即係講緊做嘅時候咧，就時時要 operate 咧，望住個客人，睇住晒佢情況，你邊度痛啊？能唔能夠忍受先？理論上佢要忍嘅，真係，因為佢根本做緊運動，咪嗰個真係好痛咧，就要熄機嘅，係啦。
Okay, so this is no matter what they're gonna have a medical question. It doesn't matter. You still ask the question. Do you have sciatica? If you see the other clue is gonna be that they're gonna feel it on the legs. The legs will contract, but the stomach will not contract. The machine goes to the nerves, gives a signal, becomes one with the nerves, reaches the brain causes the contraction. If the brain gets the signal, a very, very strong signal from the sciatica, this leg is going to contract, but the stomach won't. You understand? Or both legs will contract.
你而家咪痛，即係佢而家其實咧，我哋呢部機咧係同出邊同出邊嗰啲muscle stimulator 咧有咩分別？出邊咪就係有好多叫你 muscle stimulator 嘅分別，就係我哋呢部機咧係同個腦去溝通嘅，咁個腦會連接你個 nerve 嘅啲神經嘅，咁跟住就係帶動到溝通個腦話俾個神經聽，然後就要做運動。咁而如果做運動過程覺得痛咧，就係個腦話俾佢聽咧，即係佢嘅身體部位應該有啲事嘅啦，咁你就要適當地溫就佢。
Okay, so that, like you said, this is not a muscle stimulator. A muscle stimulator goes to the muscle. Okay, depolarize the muscle. With repeated depolarizations, the muscle cell will die. This one goes to the nerve, becomes one, it's like a glove that gets into the nerve, reaches the brain, and the brain contracts. Okay? So if it's from here, if it's from the sciatica, then the legs will contract, but your stomach, that's your clue. It's like, why are the legs contracting? When you have like some pads, but if you put 0 on the pads on the legs will still contract because they contract from here. Do you understand? Yeah? Okay, so you need to be very, very careful for that's one thing. Second thing, a lot of people, including you, right? They have a mild gastritis. It might be an ulcer or whatever, but they have a discomfort here. Remember our other model? She had a gastritis in the first treatment, second treatment, third treatment she did not. We did 3 treatments with her or 2 treatments?
上次有一個 model 就 pat 咗落去之後咧，抽住個胃啊，係啦，咁然之後佢就話俾你聽，
次就冇啦，
佢個胃就有啲唔好啦，跟住就教佢埋個食療點佢點樣配合啦。咁第二次 treatment 就冇再發生。
Yeah, I asked to stop eating rice and whatever, but that wasn't it. It's like the treatment will heal the gastritis, but on the first session you need to be careful, okay? Otherwise, if they're uncomfortable, they will not come back. You need to understand that, okay? The third thing is that before you take the pad, when you take the pad, you look at the pad and you look at the body. So, can I uncover you? Okay, so say she has something like this, okay? I don't know, this is probably nothing. But say she has something